Hey, I'm an AI avatar.
And you can use me as the face of your facts-based shorts,
In your explainer videos,
or even in your TikTok affiliate content to talk about products.
there are literally so many ways to make money using me. So, stick around and watch the full video.
Alright, we're gonna keep this video raw and without any ads, so you can literally see how I made all those avatars. It's quite simple, firstly, we need to create our avatar picture, because in this video we are not creating it from the video, we are creating it from image to a video. And the video could be two types. The first type is static, like I'm speaking right now, and the second could be like I'm standing and I'm not standing, basically the character is standing. The camera is moving around to look more realistic. Firstly, our aim is to generate some type of avatar, and for that we need a good prompt. So you don't have to ask someone that could you please give me some templates. I will tell you that how to make good prompts as well, because without good prompts you can't generate good pictures, and the type of good prompt the AI could write for you, you couldn't. So that's why I'm going to tell you that how you can use ChatGPT to make good prompts. Okay, so you can see I've wrote that you are a prompt writer personalized for ChatGPT for all image generation, and you always rewrite best prompts to get realistic results. You always need to mention aspect ratio, environment, character features, and lighting. And I'm just gonna click OK now. Now we just need to write our simple prompt, and it will generate it into a good prompt from which you can generate really good pictures. To make it more realistic, let's say we're gonna make a girl who's sitting in a YouTube type studio. So for that we just need to write here. Honestly, I searched anything to find out any type of girl who's sitting in a YouTube studio, and after browsing for some while I found a girl which was fine to make her avatar look like. Okay, so this looks good to me, and I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here. I want avatar looking like her, and with same background, and aspect ratio is could be for is in 16:9, so it could be used for a YouTube video. So I'm just gonna say aspect ratio 16:9, and while it gives us answer, I'm just gonna give you a trick. So basically you need to go to Google and search what makes difference between AI and real face. It will gives you some type of differences. I'm just gonna use it as a resource. I'm just gonna tell the ChatGPT that you need to use and make sure make the avatar look like a real person. A normal person does have asymmetrical face, does have some type of wrinkles, some type of imperfections. It's quite important to follow all the things which makes it more real instead of making it a normal AI image, because that looks really fake. Now I'm just gonna paste the data and add some brackets, and then write that I'm gonna give you detailed info what makes AI image was made by AI, generated by AI. You need to integrate it in our prompt in order to get realistic results. Both looks good to me, so I'm gonna just click on here. Now here's the thing, you're gonna duplicate the slide, create a new chat, and just copy and paste here. You can make some changes if you would like to do. You can see here, after reading this, he added this thing: her skin should have a realistic detail, pores, texture, natural variations in tone, and slight imperfections that reflect real life. So I should have a natural reflection and depth, avoiding the AI stare. So this is literally an important thing and the easiest thing you can do to make your avatars more real. It's not always about getting the result from the first output. We can create more and more tweaks in the picture to make it more real. And here's how I'll do that. So basically I'll go back to our prompt. Okay, so I have got the result of it, but I want a few tweaks. Firstly, hands should be doing some type of textures, gestures, and should be inside the picture, shouldn't cut the box. because obviously if it will go outside the picture, the hands, you couldn't make the gestures real or good enough because our AI is not that much trained right now. So yeah, that's really it. Right prompt for it, make sure keep, and I'm just gonna copy and paste, keep same aspect ratio, character features, and lighting. So this is my second prompt which I really want to human look like, because I don't think there's any other problem with this picture. So I just sent a message to our prompt writer that okay, so I have got the output, but I want few tweaks. Hands should be doing some type of movement and should be inside the picture, shouldn't go outside the picture. Prompt for it, make sure keep same aspect ratio, environment, character features, and lighting to make sure that we get the same picture. ChatGPT can't generate consistent image with the same face, but we will try to make as similar as possible. Copy it and paste it here. We got our picture, and I think we're good to go now because we can see the hands and the gestures, and she's smiling beautifully. So yeah, that's quite nice picture. I'm just gonna download it, and now I'm gonna use HeyGen. I know you're gonna say that HeyGen, everyone uses HeyGen, but there's a new update that you can create from image to a video. So it's quite good, because you can literally create. It's really a nice thing. You just need to log in using your Gmail ID, and you can use literally any type of, and you can use as much as 10 emails you want to. I know you. Okay, so our next step is to change this picture into a video where this woman is literally talking and saying things like a real person. So for that, we're gonna use HeyGen. So we're gonna say that we know about the HeyGen. It's quite common. Everyone knows about this. But the thing is, there's a new update that you can generate from image to video. I'm gonna show you which update I'm talking about. So for that, you simply need to open your HeyGen account. I'm gonna choose free, and then just select random things. This is for the service. We don't need to do that. If you want to, you can. Okay, see, now you need to go to avatars, and I can tell you that okay, there's one more thing. You can create 3 videos, and each video could be up to like 3 minutes. So in total you can create 9 minutes video from a single account in a month. And if you're creating something related to shorts, I mean 9 minutes is more than enough if you're starting out. And if you start making out any type of money, you can obviously subscribe to HeyGen, get more avatars. So you just need to click on create avatar, and this is the update I'm talking about. So if you select your image which we downloaded, there's some issue with an image because I'm not able to select it, but now I should be able to select it. No preview available. I'm not too sure why that's happening. Okay. Oh, because we didn't download this picture earlier. I was talking with you, so we need to generate this picture again. That's not a big issue. Okay, so we got the output, but there's some issue. The camera position is being changed. But I don't think that's the issue, big issue, because we can also create from this picture. So I'm just gonna download it without wasting any time, so we don't need to generate it again. Just select photos. Yeah, now this should be fine, and you need to upload. Okay, so in this process it reviews the uploads because you're supposed to give 10 or 15 pictures to train the AI about the avatar and the features, how it really looks like. But we really can't generate consistent pictures with the ChatGPT, so that's why we're gonna just use one picture. Demo 1, age young adult, gender woman, ethnicity unspecified, continue. It's asking to choose a voice for me or add a voice. We will add a voice.
Hello, this is what I sound like. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is what I sound like. Hope you like it.
This sounds good to me, so I'm just gonna click on add voice. These are the main steps now, so you make sure you watch the video carefully. You need to ignore this button because we're not gonna create it now because it's static picture right now. And if you create, it will just move the face. It will not move any type of hand gestures. And to do that, you need to click on add motion to go to expressive. And in expressive, you need to explain how the motion should look like. I can't see the lady speaking on camera Okay, this prompt is more than enough according to me, and I'm just gonna click on the add motion, and now you need to wait at least for like 2 to 5 minutes because it takes time. Okay, so the procedure is done now, and from just a picture we created a video.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
And she's doing hand gestures as well. To be honest, hand gestures doesn't look that much good, but you just need to create according to your preference. Feel like with more updates in the future, it will look like a real person within like 3 to 6 months. There's some issue with the ratio. I think ChatGPT didn't generate us an image with the 16:9. So I would advise you to always check the ratio so you don't get the output like this. For now, we're gonna completely ignore this thing. Now you just need to write the script you want. That's going to be a hook of this video, so you probably have seen this video in the starting of the video.
Hey, I'm an AI avatar, and you can use me as the face of your facts-based shorts, in your explainer videos, or even in your TikTok affiliate content to talk about products. There are literally so many ways to make money using me. So, stick around and watch the full video.
And if you are not happy with your output, you can simply go back, go to avatars, and add new looks, or even you can train model, but you need to get the subscription of this app for that. But if you see the potential in your content creation, whatever you are creating on your social media, it's really good investment to train your avatar, because after uploading 10 to 20 videos, it will literally generate realistic videos. Now I'm gonna tell you that what you need to do exactly if you want your character to move. So again, you need to create the prompt for your avatar. For that, we will go to the prompt writer, and here we will say that we just need to copy and paste literally same steps as we did earlier, and just wait for ChatGPT to generate. Okay, so we have our picture now. Okay, so ChatGPT generated our character in a standing position, but the problem is it's not in the 9:16. I'm just gonna download it and go to Photoshop, and mm, 9:16, and now you need to go to clean. You can only generate up to like 10 seconds here, so you need to create again and again in order to make a short video. For example, if your video is going to be 40 seconds, you need to generate 4 times. Yes, that's a quite hustle. So I would recommend you to buy the subscription, because it's not that much as compared to the return you will get after making the content with it. I just wrote simple prompt that now write prompt related to movements I want in a scene. Write negative prompt as well, which shouldn't happen in the video. So I'm just gonna put the screenshot because I don't want to explain him, because if I said in the list, it will give me an output of a bullet point. Till then, I'll just copy it, paste here. Okay, now I just paste it here. In total, you can create 4 videos or 5 videos, depends on each use 5 seconds or 10 seconds. But you can use 10 premiums to make more free accounts, and then use free credits until you are satisfied and you decided to buy the subscription. I'll just click on generate. Okay, we have got our output from the clean, and let's see the video. Okay. It looks like she's speaking while looking at somewhere else. We need to fix it by using a prompt again and again until we get a better result. We need her to speak something, right? So for that, we need to click on lip sync. For now, I'm just gonna type the script, but for the use case, I would really recommend you to use 11 Labs. By using all these techniques, you can take it even further. It really depends on how much time you put in and the creativity you're ready to bring in.
Videos, or even in your TikTok affiliate content to talk about products. There are literally so many ways to make money.
No, that was terrible. Now take all these tricks, use them smart, and go make some money. Don't just sit on it, execute. Alright, I'm out.